Bukod sa mga techniques na tinuro sa atin ni Jerome Kim, we also have 5 tips for you if you're a beginner and want to try underwater photography. Number 1, become a skilled diver first.
The first thing I emphasizing for underwater photographer is to be a good diver first, so they can avoid damaging the marine animals like corals.
Number 2, be familiarized on how to use your proper underwater camera and strobes.
Try to study your camera on land first. Then you will be more comfortable with when you're shooting underwater.
Number 3, choose the best dive site for underwater photography with clear visibility and good current condition. Number 4, understand your subject and its behavior.
The more important thing, especially for when you are shooting the behavior shot, like goby or fish yawning, where we should focus. Those kind of things, important part of the picture is the behavior, not the fish itself, right? Yeah. So we need to focus on the behavior moment. So we need to focus on the mouth of the fish.
Because it's yawning.
Yes, yawning. For some fishes like cardinal fish, they're breathing eggs in their mouths. So in that case, we shouldn't focus on the eye of the cardinal fish. We should focus on the mouth. Not only mouth, actually.
The eggs inside.
Eggs inside. So you need to keep in mind.
Number 5, tell a story.
You need to make some kind of stories inside the picture. What photographer want to tell with this picture?